Merhaba. Welcome to the international community. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for joining in today. Our topic today is financial education, sometimes referred as financial literacy as well. Financial literacy and education is the possession of the set of skills and knowledge that allows an individual to make informed and effective decisions with all their financial resources. Through financial education and literacy, you're going to learn methods not to be dependent on your job and your family for money. You're going to learn these methods to depend on yourself exclusively, to learn great strategies to get you away from this, that you can make more money. So, financial confidence is your confidence level, is who you are. You have to have this in order to make money also. You got to feel good, look good, and educate yourself and feel you have the brain power to do it. So financial confidence and wisdom is a key component in this area as well. We'll get on another point, financial ignorance. 90% of the population is ignorant to the financial system. They just don't want to learn. They don't want to put time in. They just want to ignore it. How can you do this? Everything in your life is about money. Money, money, money. You need to get financially educated. Don't be ignorant. Put the time in. Hit the books. Hit the seminars. And hit the videos. And let's get going on this. I'm going to use a Peter robs Paul mentality. So, Peter gets paid $2,900 and he's left with, after taxes, $1,700. He's excited. He just got paid. He goes and buys a bunch of chicken to have a barbecue, some clothes. He's going to have a party, whatever. Next thing you know, he has to pay his rent and all of his bills. So he needs the money for the rent and the bills. So the money's on the credit card. He just robbed Paul. This is how the problem starts when you get paid. You don't budget your money. You need financial literacy. Why? Well, let's use another example. Because people who win the lottery are broke. 70% of them, after they win a lottery, can you imagine winning millions of dollars or $100 million and being broke? This is true. Why? They don't educate themselves. They don't know how to use the money. They don't know how to invest the money. They don't know how to budget the money, and they go broke. So just to show you that it doesn't matter how much money you have, that you'll still go broke if you don't educate yourself. So if you want to get rich, you have to stop those thoughts that you got told when you're a kid. For example, money is the root of all evil, or money doesn't grow on trees. We've all heard these terms, right? These are not the right formalities to teach you. It just doesn't work. It's not true. So you got to get away from that. So we'll use debt, for example. Debt isn't always bad if it's making you money. Once again, we'll go back to student loan, right? If you have a student loan and you don't know what you're doing in school for 2 years and you spend $20,000 running around in a Bachelor of Arts and then you quit or whatever, you just blew a bunch of money that you're not going to get a return on because you're not going to further that career. So you just lost your money, okay, with debt that you're not using for future purposes. So if you want to be a professional martial arts fighter, you don't stay in your basement and just punch the walls. You have to go out to a martial arts studio to become a champion, a world champion. The same thing. You have to get out of your comfort zone, out of your house, and you have to educate yourself. Whether it's in courses, on your phone, so be it, whatever it is. And you have to have the self-esteem and confidence within yourself to believe in yourself. And you do that by education and financial education, financial literacy. I can't say it more. It's fundamental. It's the rules of the world. It's the law. We got to do it. Start today. So remember, the chances are that you haven't learned this yet. You're not going to learn this in school. You got to take measures into your own hands to find the self-discipline, the perseverance, the confidence, the self-esteem to really move ahead, fight this fight it in good faith, and become financial, literate, and educated today. Question 1, how do you develop financial literacy? How you can do this is by some online courses, also by watching videos from some well-spoken speakers, and talking to your superiors, lawyers, accountants, and different people in these type of areas. This could definitely help you. Question 2, what should you do to not spend your money so quickly? This is a great question. Well, what you can do is put that paycheck in the bank, budget all your bills, and see where that money's going, okay? And see what's left. What's left, you should definitely not go out to eat and go to a movie and do these type of activities because you need to save some money first. So let's say you save 10% of that paycheck. That's a strategy where you can save some money and still spend a little bit and not run out of money. Question number 3, financial planning for beginners. So what you want to do here is you want to take the income you make, your investments, your tax strategies, your debts, your high debts for sure, your budgeting, your goals, all this stuff you want to put in one spot, and you want to really analyze it to make a plan where you're going to go in 3, 6, 9, and 12 months. You're going to do this, and if you don't know how, you're going to go online, you're going to get some courses to learn how to do it. Please invest in yourself into financial literacy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook. Tell all your family and friends worldwide. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Hope to see you soon. God bless. Much love. Thanks.